What's going on, everybody? If any of you guys live in like the Boise, Idaho area, you guys might recognize this pond. But it's not really a secret pond. There's cars literally right there. At the same time, it kind of is. Not many people know about this pond. It's a really good place to fish, actually. But we're out here pretty early. It's like a little after 7. And we're gonna be starting off with a chatterbait, popper, and a frog. So hopefully I can catch my first topwater fish of the year. That's my main goal for today. That's why we're out here early, so we can do that. So hopefully I can get a fish soon, but I'll see you guys when we get some fish.
All right, I think I'm gonna start off with the old popper first thing. Gonna see what kind of damage we can do here. He's already got one, so it's my turn now. Not sure if I mentioned it, but I'm gonna be fishing with my stepdad today. He's already got 2 over here, been messing around with camera gear. It's a little baby, by the way. That's a little guy for this area. Bad guy. See you, bud.
He's lost.
He's stuck. There he goes. Oh, got one. Yes! Finally! Oh, I got one. Smoked it. Oh, that was awesome. First topwater fish of the year. Oh, look at that guy. A little bit torn up back here, though. Beautiful fish. Thank you for my first topwater fish of the year. See you, buddy. All right, so it's been a couple of minutes, but I changed up baits. I'm now using just a little jig, and then I got my Corrado DC on my 7-foot Shimano rod. Got a 15-pound test on here if any of you guys are wondering. So hopefully I'll be able to catch some more fish with this. They definitely were not, at least not a lot of them were wanting the frog pattern this morning, so that's okay. Switch baits, making moves. Let's go get some fish. Yep, there's one. Yep. Whew, come here, buddy. Whew. There we go. What? There. Sick. Got this guy. See you, bud. Oh, there's one. Oh, he had it. He was nibbling on it. He took my claw. We could have had a double.
Oh, this one's bigger.
He took my claw.
This one's bigger.
I had some tippy taps going on. Oh, yep, there we go. I saw my line just take off.
I don't think I'm going to be able to double yet.
It's a shame. Sweet. Really lengthy fish. See you, bud. There he goes. Yep, there he is. Oh, come on, get out of there. Okay, good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. he goes. Alright, so it's just been a little bit since I turned on the GoPro last. GoPro ended up dying, so I put it on the charger. See what time it is. It is 11:41, almost noon. We've had a couple people join us. It's my little sister. Hi. And then my mom and brother are over there. But we're still out here. I switched up from black and blue to watermelon colors. So we'll see when we get some fish. Probably get one this first cast, actually. That's not a dog, that's a goose. Oh, I had one. Oh yeah, he came back, he came back. That is a micro bass.
That's the smallest one today, right?
By far. See you, bud. Yeah. What? Oh my gosh, mine landed and I had a fish. Yep, he's got it. I mean, it landed and I had one on and then he came back for it. Ridiculous. Get in here, bud. Another nice little fishy. About average size for here. See you, bud. So I've been casting it at this tree past 7 times. I've caught a fish every time. Three, 2, 1. Got one. Man, they're all like piled up there. It's weird. See you, bud. There's one. Woo, get in here. Nice.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah, he's got a big fish.
He started screaming line. It's not that big. That's actually one of the smaller ones. He's just feisty.
He's a feisty little guy. He's a fatty.
Yep, I got one. Oh, yep, I'm spooling. Get in here, buddy. Yeah.
Michael's not catching one. Here, I'll let this one go. Maybe he'll grab your hook.
Oh, I go. There we go. There we go. There we go. See you, bud. I'm really tired. It's hot. We've been fishing since like, I don't know, 6, no, not that much. Probably like 7-ish. We've been fishing since about 7. I'm really tired. It was hot today. We caught a ton of fish. My thumb is absolutely destroyed. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is probably like the first really good bass fish video of the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.